Okay, Assalamualaikum. So today we're going to introduce to you lab number 7, free fall experiment. Okay, in this lab you have two objectives to be achieved. Okay, first investigate the kinematic of a free fall from test, and then the last objective is to investigate acceleration of gravity. So let me introduce you to the equipment or the experimental setup. First, we have the release unit, okay, and then we have the receiver model, okay, we have the stand rod, okay, and then we have the ball, which is steel ball 15 millimeter in diameter, and then we have the universal counter to measure the time taken for the free fall. Okay, for experimental setup, in this experiment you're going to vary the height of the free fall. Okay, now we start with 100 millimeter of height. First, initially, you need to uplift this platform. Okay, and then you need to set the base 0 for the platform. So this is the base 0, and then you need to adjust this one to the desired height. For example, now I set at 100 millimeter or 10 centimeter. Okay, after you have set this desired length or height, next you need to have this 15 millimeter ball, and then you need to put it into this position. Then you need to clamp it. Okay, once you clamp, for this universal counter, you need to set it into 0, and then you need to press start. Okay, whenever you're ready, okay, you may start the free fall experiment. For example, I will release this, and the universal counter will record the time taken for the ball to reach this platform like this. Okay, from this reading, we can say that the free fall, the time taken from the ball to reach this platform is around 131 millisecond. Okay, based on this table, for 100 millimeter height, you need to record for 3 readings. And then after 3 readings, you need to take the average of the fall time. Okay, so you need to divide the readings into 3, and then lastly you need to calculate its velocity. Okay, the experiment shall be repeated with different height. For example, we have 150 millimeter, 200 millimeter, 250 millimeter, 300, 350, and 400. What it means by varying the height is you need to adjust, for example, 150 millimeter. So from the initial 100, so you need to add another 50 millimeter to this scale, and then you need to adjust this launcher up until it reach the same level with this marking. Then you lock it tightly, and then you repeat the same experiment 3 times. That's all for the free fall experiment. Thank you.